Hi everyone, welcome back to As Good As We Can. I am with Martina and we are in Agrigento, our hometown. We decided to cook something really special for you today and exactly, and today we decided to prepare for you and with you the most famous Sicilian street food, and we are talking about panelle, which is made of chickpeas flour or farina di ceci, water, acqua, parsley, prezzemolo, salt, sale, and black pepper, pepe. So a few ingredients, but the recipe and the dish will be so delicious. To cook the panelle, we are going to use an aluminium pot. In here, we are going to add the water, the chickpeas flour, the salt, and the black pepper. We are going to cook the ingredients at medium heat until everything becomes dense, and don't forget to constantly mix to don't form clumps. Yes, after you cook it, you have to give a shape to your panelle. So you can use at home everything you want, but the original one are like a rectangular shape. So today at home we found this, that it's a baking pan. It's a rectangular baking pan. So we are going to put our mix here inside and we'll let it cool at least for 4 hours in the refrigerator. If you have friends, for example, the day after, and you don't want to cook the same day, you can even cook it the night before, the evening before, and then prepare your panelle the day after. Exactly. So, let's start cooking!
Add the water to the aluminium pot. Slowly start adding the chickpeas flour and mix well to avoid forming clumps. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and black pepper, as much as you prefer. Mix everything and start cooking at medium heat. Keep mixing until it becomes dense. Chop some fresh parsley and add it to the pot 1-2 minutes before finish cooking. Grease a baking pan with some olive oil and then add there the hot mix of water and chickpeas flour. With the help of a spoon, level it and cover it with some plastic wrap. And let it cool for minimum 4 hours in the fridge.
So guys, after 4 hours in the fridge, we are ready to cut the panelle. Yes! The procedure is really simple. We just have to turn the baking pan on a cutting board and shape our panella with a good knife.
Add the frying oil and warm it up well. Start frying the panelle, it takes a few minutes until golden. Place them on a kitchen paper to remove the oil excess. Cut the bread and add the fried panelle with a pinch of salt, black pepper and some lemon juice.
So guys, the panelle are ready. Our sandwiches are ready. So we really hope you enjoyed this Sicilian street food recipe. Yes guys, you will find all the ingredients and the tips below the video. If you like, write a comment, we are always happy to answer, and don't forget to subscribe. So have a nice day, we hope to see you next time. Yes, ciao ciao!